In the meantime, we have to talk about tonight's heavy rain is causing some coastal flooding in places like Old Town Alexandria.
Yeah, we want to get straight to our Katie Lusso for a live look at what's happening right now. Hi there, Katie.
Hi there, and the good news is it is nowhere near as bad as what we saw Tuesday. But if you look right here, these sandbags, these are still the same sandbags that were put out from Tuesday's storm. But let me show you over here. This is all that we have left. Really, in the last 30 minutes, we've seen that water go all the way back out for the most part. We are along the waterfront. This is not supposed to be water, but a lot better than what we saw earlier. But nonetheless, business owners in the area, well, they got prepared just in case. The general manager of Misha's Coffee on Princess Street, Stuart Robinson, is taking no chances.
As long as I put the sandbags out, we're good.
After Tuesday's storm caused this, Robinson says they got pretty lucky.
It actually didn't damage anything in the store, like very, very minimal, but we did have to mop up a lot in the morning.
Next door at Big Wheel Bikes.
If we were to get floods, it would be right here at this entrance.
Okay.
Yeah, this is where I would say most of the water would seep into.
Diego Moore says they're pretty used to flooding.
We're used to it in the sense that all we have to do is maybe just add sandbags onto the front of each door.
Because they're a bit elevated, he says they usually don't get hit too hard. The highest he's seen the water get was during Hurricane Isabel in 2003, as marked on this wall.
Water started leaking in from everywhere in the basement.
Flannery McGale lives further from the water, but still in Alexandria. As the water continued to rise Friday night, she helped Robinson lay down sandbags.
Preventative measures, like he said it, sandbags. We were able to kind of create a pathway for the water to flow, so we know what to do now.
So for a little perspective, high tide was around 9 o'clock tonight, and that is really when we saw the streets start to get flooded, but all of that quickly, for the most part, went back away. Another high tide is, though, on the way for the morning around 9:30 tomorrow morning, so just a heads up if you're going to be here in the area. In Old Town Alexandria, I'm Katie Lusso, WUSA 9.